As a result of your incredible progress in improving daily attendance, I am proud to announce that Excel Academy is the Q2 winner of the Mayor's Attendance Challenge.
Them showing up every day, for some of them, is really hard. But the love that they get from their teachers, the love that they get from our support staff, the students get their needs met here. Our teachers really try to do their best to really work with the students so they do feel successful. And if they feel successful in learning, they will come to school.
Where would they go if Excel wasn't here?
They would drop out. They would drop out. A lot of them, this is their last stop.
So many young people who come to Excel are young people who have challenges that not everybody else has. As a matter of fact, one of my favorite places when I visit Excel, and Principal Young knows this, is to go to the daycare center. And I know as a mom that trying to get someplace on time while you are balancing taking care of a baby is not easy. But the fact that many of you can do that and make sure you are here so that you can graduate and provide a future, that is worthy of recognition and worthy of praise.
The team, not just me, the team has done a lot of work here at Excel this year, and the camaraderie with the staff has been probably the best since I've been principal here. We're going to continue to work with our kids and celebrate them in the best way we can.